Hello YouTube. So today we're going to look at what in my opinion is the best screen protector that you can currently buy for your Samsung S8 or S8 Plus. So to start off, we have, when you open the package, you'll have your instructions, which are very easy. I usually don't even really need to read the instructions now because this is about my third or fourth that I've replaced now. Not because that is defective or anything, but it's just that sometimes I drop my phone way more than I should. As you can see, this is another screen protector I have. If it can focus, there you go. Here's a crack here. Now it doesn't shatter, it just keeps cracking more and more because it is tempered glass, so it's not going to shatter or break into a lot of pieces. It's really good quality glass, and this is the new one I'm going to be installing. So before I did that, I wanted to make a video because I know sometimes people are looking for products to trust. And by the way, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. It's just this is a very good company that I always buy it from like Amazon.com. And this is the case that it will come with when you order it. This is just used to protect the new screen protector during shipping and mailing. So in this plastic bag, you have your sticker that they're gonna give you for free, wet wipes and dry wipes, and a few more other stickers in there. Nothing really important. The main thing that you need to be worried about is just the screen protector. When you're installing it on your phone, make sure that the phone is very clean. But you know, it's very simple to put on. There's no adhesive really that's left on the screen after you finish removing it, like the old style screen protectors. It comes in this case. You know, you also have a YouTube channel, I think, for instructions. But if you've done anything like this before, if you've installed the old-fashioned screen protectors, this is a very easy installation for you. It has no problems at all. So once again, it's called EURPMASK. I hope that's how you pronounce it. But it's a very good protection device to have on your phone if you don't want to go to Samsung and spend upwards of $180 for a new screen, which is pretty crazy. So this is from about 2 or 3 drops. You see a crack, and as you can see, it's still solid. I don't have to replace it. It's just that it's still smooth. I don't feel the cracks or anything like that in my fingers when I grab it. It's just I wanted to replace it because of just the way it looks. People always asking me, oh, is your phone cracked? Is your phone cracked? But it's a good quality screen protector that's also made out of some type of glass. It's not like the hard glass that's on the phone, but you hear that? It's still pretty good. So if you need protection for your phone and you don't want to spend all that money to replace an actual screen, this is the product I recommend out of all of them. It's been the easiest installation. Just order it from Amazon and you'll be set. All right, if this video was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up down the bottom and leave a comment. Thank you.